Well, my name is Glitch, and it's still the same day as that day. I'm just making it a different video for the reason is the noise has evolved to something else. Um, there's now a different noise, so I'm gonna pause the music that I was listening to. I'm gonna set up the timer again because I still left it, and hopefully we can get the noise correctly. Oh yeah. Oh, there it is. Alright. Well, okay, so it's obviously coming from the phone. As to why it's happening, I still don't know. It is paired to both, I'm pretty sure, the headphones, but the noise is obviously coming from the phone. There it is again. So, yeah, it's a different noise this time. Actually, I don't even know if they are actually. No, yeah, technically it says it's connected. And that one too, so technically okay. Let's see this one. Takes a while. Yeah, sure, this one. Yeah, it's this one. It's done. It is being raised. The internet is not playing that well. But that noise is... Okay, so it just says it's paired, but it's not. Alright, so it should just be this one. Yeah. Well, the next one should be another 15 seconds. Honestly, this is annoying by a lot. Alright, so I'm gonna leave it at that. It's a different noise. My name is Glitch, and this is another episode of UnboxAbel and problems with this phone. I'm not really sure what causes it, but it does. So, see you guys next time. Ciao. I just want to record one more thing. First of all, it's still connected. Oh, slightly changed the noise. Alright, so... Oop. Yeah. Oh, wait. Should be in. Actually, it's taking longer than 30 seconds than usual. Oh. Actually, that shouldn't have mattered. Oh, I guess it finally stopped. Yeah, it happens every once in a while. But just to be sure. Okay. So as long as you lower down the volume, you won't hear it. Apparently. And it is just coming from one side. Well, my name is Glitch, and it's another episode of UnboxAbel. And you're way too close. My name's Glitch, and this is another episode of UnboxAbel, and I'll see you guys next time. Ciao. Oh well, thanks for letting me record here.